I think we forget how simple it is to screw up even a halfway decent trading plan with our emotions. So I recently blew my eighth account, my eighth prop firm account. Um, I can't control my emotions. I can't control my greed. I can't control myself in these markets, and it is a problem. It is a problem, and I'm working on it. And I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one that's having these impulses, not really locking in on your edge, and just not being able to control myself, over leveraging, putting on too much size. Yeah, so lately I've been taking a lot of different things out of my trading program, using less indicators. I'm really trying to lock in on not being so fearful or hesitant to get in the market, and really just trying to identify my edge, because it's difficult. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't think trading in itself is super difficult. I think the waiting is the hardest part. You come to the charts. It's not like a job to where you just show up and you get to work. You actually have to wait. Trading is 80% waiting, and I am impatient. The lower time frames ain't for me. And I've been doing some back testing and just really trying to define, taking out a lot of stuff on these indicators. I've been using too many indicators because these things are lagging. Sometimes you have too many different signals conflicting with themselves in order for you to make a decision. And by the time your indicators tell you that it's time for you to get in, the market is halfway gone. The market is halfway running in your direction, and now you FOMO and trying to get in late. It's a lot. It's a lot. I've been on this journey for a little bit over 2 years, coming on 2.5 years now, and I'm still struggling. I'm still struggling. It is rough. But I'm gonna take the next couple weeks to really lock in on just identifying my true edge in the market, really locking in on support and resistance, and not being so hesitant when I actually see it to take action. One thing I learned about myself these last couple weeks is I shouldn't be trading nothing but the 30-minute time chart, the 30-minute time frame. Nothing else. Not no higher time frame, going down the lower time frame, looking for multiple signals. I need to stick my ass on the 30-minute chart only. I'm just still growing, man. I'm still growing as a trader. My investing is doing good. My stocks, my investing portfolio is amazing. I know I got to do an update video on that pretty soon. But this trading, totally different animal. And I'm starting to understand that it's more about you versus you. You being able to control yourself, to really identify your edge, and not letting fear kick you out of the trade. Because you only need three confluences, three reasons to take a trade. And that's what I'm locking in on. If I don't see three reasons, at least three reasons to take a trade, I'm not taking no trades, bro. I'm tired of losing money. I'm tired of blowing these prop firm accounts. I'm tired of paying for them. I do believe I'm going to get a payout. And I do believe I can be successful with this skill set, because you don't just come to trading and continuously lose and lose month after month, week after week, year after year, and not have a belief that you can't do this. You got to have a different type of mentality to be a trader. And I know I'm cut out for it. I'm still battling with greed. I'm still battling with my own emotions. And I'm truly locking in on my edge. So I don't necessarily like making these type of videos, but this is the transparent journey of being a trader. This is the transparent journey of battling with your emotions and trying to figure yourself out, developing yourself. And I'm even putting together a morning routine, because what I've been doing obviously ain't working. I'm learning, I'm adjusting, and this is the process of becoming a profitable trader. This is what it takes, man. This is what it takes, bro. Lonely nights. It is a lonely journey. But that's what is absolutely needed in order to shed the past you, in order to step into the future you that can handle the type of success that we both are going to get. Because I'm not stopping. I'm just continually learning, continually growing, continually adjusting, slowly learning to control my emotions. And that is a battle. It is a damn battle. And I'm focused on taking one good trade a day. And I'm just going to keep learning, keep growing, and keep trying, and keep failing forward. And that's what it's about. Because it is a solo sport. Trading is absolutely a solo sport between you and yourself and reacting to live data. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your trading challenges. What have you learned about yourself, your anxiety, your fears, and your greed? Drop that down in the comments. Stick around for this next video if you want to see me dive deep into my stock portfolio, the stocks that I currently have, and how they pay me each and every month. Stick around for this next video, and I'll see you there.